Is it time to review some art? Let's see the first piece. Aw, this is such a cute piece to start on. I totally look this cool. Wow, look at how positive I am. This definitely isn't a ploy to incite my artist, nuh-uh. This is such a wonderful, cute piece. I love the face I'm making. It's stuck between a smile and a frown. It's kinda adorable. Might start practicing that one in the mirror. Screw you all. If you can't see it, you just lack creativity. Surely you can at least imagine what kind of piece I'm talking about. This is so disappointing. All of you call yourselves evil fans. I can probably count the number of true fans on one hand. Wow, just checked and there are only 5 members in the true fan group. Are there any loyal fans that I can add to it? I'm really not feeling that. It'd be an honor to join.